What's up, everybody? Magic Twist here, and today I'm back with some more Venus Flytrap content. Today we're just gonna be doing some basic care like I did last time with this one, and we're gonna be feeding it a fly and a silverfish. I found another silverfish for y'all, and a bonus. Oh shoot, a bonus episode. I'm gonna try to release the same day as this one. I'm gonna cut open this one because this has the cricket in it. And that's been in there for weeks. It's been in there longer than the other dissecting video that I made of the Venus flytrap. It's been in there for weeks and it has not opened and it's turning black. So I'm gonna cut it off before it like affects the trap or something. Take energy though. As you see, it's been booming, bro. It's been booming. There's a parade inside my city. Yeah. Now let me stop. So we're gonna be feeding the fly to this because it's bigger and it's more. Oh, help boost this one. This don't need it, but I'll give it the silverfish. So let me focus. There you go. All right. Now first, let me get my scissors. I'm gonna go clean it off with alcohol. I'll be right back. All right, clean them off. Now we're gonna first look at this one. We're gonna try to get it. Okay, there we go. Don't want to trigger anything. Hold on. Trying to get it so I can see and the camera can see. Okay, there we go. Just a blackened trap that did not make it. You might notice like there's a few missing. I think like two. My dog, well, my brother's dog, Coda, the German Shepherd. If you saw my TikTok, he got to it, but it's alright. See, it's good. It's gonna be booming after we feed it. Okay. So we're gonna. Oh, if you're wondering from my last video, let's see. I think it was this one right here. You can see it in there, right there. The last silverfish that I fed to this one. It's right in there. Man, you can see this is beautiful, bro. It's just this is booming, bro. It's growing like crazy, and I love it. Hopefully, this one's supposed to it's just supposed to grow more than this one, and it's big traps. Like that's crazy. So hopefully, this one does take off. Oh, one more thing. This is a mistake my brother made because he was trying to take over for me when I was asleep. He wanted to put he didn't know about Venus flytraps. He watered them and put a little fertilizer in there. You do not want to do that. Do not put fertilizer. Do not use regular water. Oh, thankfully they haven't died, so it's all right. He probably didn't use them much, but do not do that. You do not want to do that. Some like advanced people, they put fertilizer inside the traps, which is okay, but I don't recommend it if you're like new, you're just starting this. But yeah, okay, so we're gonna cut this black one off. I think that's the only one we need to cut off right now. We can cut this right here. Hold on. Okay, we can cut this right here. Oh, nope, looks like what? Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. I thought it fell off already. I'm gonna put that over here. Then we're gonna cut this one off. And right after this video, I'll make the video on this one. Trying to dissect it. Okay, perfect. Now I don't know. I think I remember watching a video and somebody said that if you cut it perfectly, it can grow back the trap right there and it won't die. The leaf won't die, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to be making a dissected video on this. We're going to put that over there to the side. And now it's time to feed them. Okay. Let me get my tweezers. Okay. Got the tweezers. Don't really need to wash these off. So first we're going to start with this fly. We're going to start with this big boy right here. Now, we don't want it flying off, so gotta smack it down, open it up. I'm trying to open up a little bit. Get down. Now we gotta spray it. I'm gonna do it off camera so I can see. Spray it like crazy. Okay. Got it. Now we need to grab it. Trying to grab the wing. There we go. Perfectly got it. Oh my god, it's flinging water everywhere. Gotta zoom in. We're gonna feed it to this big one right here. Oh my gosh, it's fighting. Crap. Right there. No, let go. Let go. Oh, oh gosh. Wow, that was crazy. It fell in there. Like it, I don't know how, but it got out of the tweezers. I think my fingers let go. You know. But it fell in there, so that's perfect, and it just closed right up on it. That was crazy. That's probably one of the best captures I've gotten. That was good. That was good. Okay, so wow, man, that was a good one. It just went right in there. It disappeared. Jeez. Um, I don't know what to say now, but I'm happy I got that on video. Okay, shoot. Let's feed this one. I'm debating if I should just feed both to this one because this one's doing amazing. You don't really need to feed them, and I already fed that. Okay, what we're gonna do? We're gonna give this one a head start. We're gonna feed it two things at once. So since I already fed this and this is booming, there's nothing wrong with it. It's good. So we're gonna put this to the side. We're gonna put it up here. Or put it up there, right up there. Okay. Okay. Now. Oh my gosh, you can still hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. It's trying to fly out. It's not gonna work. Okay, the next one we're gonna feed. Oh shoot, my bad. We're gonna feed this one over here. I can't. Right here. Okay. Let's zoom out a little bit. Is it still alive? Yeah, it's good. All right. We're gonna do the same thing. Spray water in it. Okay. Let me get it out. Okay, I got it. Okay. Squeezing as hard as I can so I don't drop it. My fingers are already giving up. Gosh. Come on, zoom in. Get the focus. Okay. Right and there. Come on. No, what? I let go. Crap. Let's just push it in there. Got it. All right. That was pretty fun. Yeah. It was just a quick video, 10 minute. I don't really have to edit because I ain't mess up and make a mistake in the video. But yeah, there we go. So I should be able to make the video about the dissecting the other one real quick right after this. So check it out. Yeah, probably a double upload today. But yeah, all right. See you on the next video. Hopefully these plants get like, well, that one's already, this is already good. This one I need to bloom. But like, yeah. All right. See you on the next video. Peace. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.